Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture, we completed exercise 1.3. Today we will start the numerical problems of exercise 1.4. The question first is, visualize 3.765 on number line using successive magnification. Clear? Our number is 3.765. Clear? We see that this number is greater than 3 and less than 4. This number is greater than 3 and less than 4. Hence, first of all, we draw a number line and mark 2 points on that number line. The first part will be 3 and the other will be 4. First, draw a straight line. You draw the line with the help of scale. Here, this is the number line. Here, this is point A, which represents 3, and this is the point B, which represents 4. Here, we write it 3.0 and we write it 4.0. Now, we divide this length into 10 equal parts. The first one will be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, and this is 3.9. Clear? So first of all, we visualize 3.7. 3.7 is here. This is 3.7. Clear? We visualize it. Now, we see that 3.76 will lie between 3.7 and 8. We see that 3.76 will lie between 3.7 and 3.8. Hence, we magnify this length. Clear? And imagine to divide 10 equal parts. Here is 3.7 and here is 3.8. Clear? When you magnify it, looks something this and this. Clear? Now, we divide it into 10 equal parts. This is 0, 0. Clear? The next one will be 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, and 3.7. Clear? So our point 3.76, we visualize it here. This is 3.76. We see that our number 3.75 will lie between somewhere here. Between 3.76 and 3.77. Hence, we again imagine to divide it into 10 equal parts. Clear? This is a straight line. Now, when you magnify it with the help of magnifying glass, then point 3.76 and 3.77 appears to somewhere here as clear. This is something like this. This is 3.76. We can write 0 and this is 3.770. Clear? Now, the first part will be 3.761. The second will be 3.762. The third will be 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768 and 3.769. Clear? Now we have to write 3.765. Hence, this is the point 3. This is our required point 3.765. Clear? So first of all, you write straight line and divide it into 10 equal parts. After that, first of all, we visualize 3.7 as we know that our number will lie between the point 3.7 and 3.8. Hence, we magnify it and it appears 3.7 and 3.8. Now we divide this into 10 equal parts and we get the point 3.76. First of all, we visualize 3.76. After that, we see that 3.765 will lie between 3.76 and 3.77. Hence, we again imagine to divide it into 10 equal parts and at last we visualize the 3.765. Clear? Now, our next question is question number 2. To visualize 4.26 bar up to 4 decimal places. The question is that to visualize 4.26 bar up to 4 decimal places. Means 4.26 bar. Okay? Means up to 4 decimal places means 4.2626. Clear? And in previous question, first of all, we draw a straight line and we see that our numbers lie between 4 and 5, greater than 4 and less than 5. Hence, we make it here 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and here will be 5.0. Means our number will lie between 4.0 and 5.0. So first of all, we visualize 4.2. 4.2 is here. Clear? This is 4.2. We imagine to divide the length between 4.2 and 4.3 into 10 equal parts. For clear view, we use magnifying glass. Clear? Now, this point will here on magnification and this will appear here. Okay? Oh, now here is 4.20, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29 and this will be 4.30. As we see from our numbers divide this length into 10 equal parts. Now, we visualize 4.26, which is here. Again, we magnify this length and divide into 10 equal parts. We will end the number line. This point will here and this point will here. This is 4.260 and this is 4.270. We divide this into 10 equal parts. The first one will be 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268 and 4.269. Clear? Now, we see that 4.262 here we visualize it. Clear? 4.262. So our number 4.226 will lie between 4.262 and 4.263. Clear? Hence, we again magnify it and imagine to divide it into 10 equal parts. Then condition will be this. We draw another number line and when we magnify it, the points will like here. This will be 4.2620 and this will is 4.2630. Clear? We divide into 10 equal parts. Now, the first one will be 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628 and 4.2629. Do we have to visualize 4.2626? Hence, we find 4.2626 here. Clear? In this way, we visualize the 4.2626 on number line. Clear? I hope that the procedure will help you to draw this figure and visualize the number 4.2626 on number line or another number line. We apply the same procedure. Clear? Thank you. In next video we will solve the another problems.